viewers, in this video we shall look into how to interpret a normal semen analysis report. So a normal semen analysis report, the characteristics that you have to look into are the count, motility and morphology. These are the three important characters. We'll talk into how to interpret and find out if your semen analysis report is normal. I am Dr. Kritika Manimaran, gynecologist and fertility specialist, CM Hospital, Nanganallur. So I have told you the three important characters that we have to look into. When it comes to the volume, first the volume is analyzed. A volume of somewhere between 1.2 to 3 ml is considered normal semen volume. Next we look into the count. A count that is somewhere between 13 to 16 million per ml is considered to be normal. A minimum of at least 13 to 15 million is the lower limit of the normal range. Next we come into the motility. When we look at semen analysis and we keep the semen under the microscope, we can see the sperms as tiny tadpole-like structures moving from one point to another point. Progressive motility refers to the ability of a sperm to move from one point to another point. This progressive motility should be at least 32%. At least 32% of the sperms should be able to move from one point to another. Then there is something called as a non-progressive motility. When these sperms are not able to move from one point to another, but they are vibrating at the same point. So we have to look at the total motility. That is progressive motility plus non-progressive motility, which should be above 40%. This is what is the minimum requirement. Next important factor that has to be kept in mind is the shape of the sperm. Sperms having the normal shape should be at least more than 4%. This is what we are looking at when we are looking under the microscope. A normal sperm has three important parameters in its structure. One is the head of the sperm, then the middle piece, and there is a tail. These three should be perfectly aligned, and if they required size and shape are matching only, they come under the category of normal sperms. Any individual can have a lot of abnormal sperms, that is, they can have double head, double tail. The head will not have an activating portion called acrosome, and these are the subtle defects in the morphology of the sperm occur due to oxidative damage. So these are the points that you have to look for, and the normal morphology is something above 4%. So to repeat whatever I have told you earlier, a volume of at least 1.3 ml plus and a count which is more than 13 million per ml and a progressive motility more than 32% and a total motility more than 40% and a morphology more than 4%. These are the points that you are looking at when you are trying to interpret your semen analysis report. I hope your dreams of entering parenthood come true soon. Thank you very much.
Best Fertility Hospital in Chennai.
CM Hospital, Nanganallur, Chennai 61.